God, they're having they're having a panty party at Victoria's Secret. We almost had an accident. We almost hit it, but I got that on video too. Did they? This is a good way to get around the mall, you know that?
Yes.
They stop like at every other store.
Yeah, like, everything's telling me to stop out.
Now stay over there. Let's get you on video. Stick your head out, Cliff.
As you can see,
Stick your head out. Stick your head out.
Oh wait, yeah, don't forget to get that. Get those.
Oh, we got it. Stick your head out.
And that's a barbershop.
Here's a big turnaround. I'm getting this all on video. That's awesome. Oh, and there's the Coca-Cola station.
That'd be kind of cool if he stepped off at like every machine.
Huh?
And there's a reflection.
Oh, and there we are. I think he's trying to tell me to get in the car, maybe. What are we doing?
We just don't know. Just make sure that we get him. So that's what we look like right now.
Yeah, that's what we look like.
This is actually pretty cool. Oh, and get him. This guy with,
She's still there? Oh my God.
He's still there.
No thanks. I can't. Sorry, it's too late. Oh, he's running his. Alright, Cliff, come here. Let's get together.
Hi. Dad, wait, get the jungle, we're passing the jungle.
Oh, yeah. Outdoor scenes of the mall. Nature scenes from the mall.
We played for the deluxe edition.
We did.
So we got jungle. Oh, your shoes still burn.
Here's foot action.
USA.
Oh, there's Cindy's. We had ice cream there. There's Kate Jewelers. Cliff may buy an engagement ring there one day for his future wife. You never know.
We are now passing the panty party.
Oh yeah. Panty party ahead on the left. There it is. Huh. They're pointing at us?
No, they're calling us. They left out.
Oh.
And it's just an
I think we're gonna go by the soon to close Sears.
Alright.
And then I think it's over. Kids waving. Oh, there's Radio Shack. Okay, and thus comes our ride to an end. Too late. Oh Lord. Please speed up. Why is it this slow last time? Toot toot, don't forget the sound. Oh, let's wave at these people when we go by. Are we waving? Oh, they're all following us. They're all passing us.
Oh yeah. Sure. We're winning.